Hey everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. It is summer, and with summer come heat waves and excessive heat warnings. Are you checking up on the senior citizens? Some suffer in silence because they don't want to be a burden, but without them, there will be no us. And they will be the first to open their doors to let you in if you needed a place to stay. So here's how you can help many of them. There are community groups and churches that offer programs for senior citizens to help them get out of the hot house and be around other people their age in a nice, cooled area. Here I am at a church that not only offers free entertainment in a comfortable, cooled room, but they also offer snacks. There are many senior citizens on a fixed income that find it hard to make ends meet. But because of this church, they can socialize, stay cool, and get something to eat, all at no cost to them. Maybe you can find a place in your area that offers these services. Volunteer to chauffeur them to and from the event. In the meantime, you can go hang out somewhere while they are socializing with people their age. And then what about everyone else? Well, there are ways to keep cool without running your electricity bill up. Go walk in the mall during the hottest part of the day. Don't worry about crowds because no one is shopping. I practically had the mall to myself for about an hour or so, and since most of the storefronts were vacant, I wasn't even enticed to spend any money. That may sound bad, but it is what it is. So you can turn off your AC, thus slightly reducing your electricity bill, walk around in an air-conditioned area, get a nice little workout. Doing this 2 to 4 days a week can prove to be healthy for you. Anyway, don't forget to check up on the elderly. Thanks for watching.
72. 72.